My name is Tobias Morrissey-Valler, and I'm based in London, United Kingdom. I did the software engineering. I think at work I'd kind of shifted towards data anyway, and I kind of wanted to move towards that space and kind of learn a bit of programming and how I can kind of use those skills. Yeah, it was really good. We had an instructor that I think everyone really liked, like quite early on. He was really good, motivational, like helpful, responded to everyone. And when we were stuck, we'd book an appointment with someone. They were always kind of helpful because I would just explain what I was trying to do, and then I'd kind of show them my code, and then they'd kind of, just push me in the right direction. The Minesweeper one, I think, on the Python, I remember that one because I remember thinking like, this is insanely hard. And what I did is I write it in pen in a notebook, like what I think, like the pseudocode code I do in pen. I remember when I was writing the pseudocode for that task, I was thinking, this is really difficult. I'd done it, and it worked. And I remember a lot of students were having issues with it, and they couldn't get it to work. But just like being pragmatic and putting like the problem solving skills to the test. I just managed to get it, and I was so proud of myself that it worked. And it ended up being like not a typical solution as well. It was quite different to like what everyone else had done. It gave me like a foundation on which to build. In my job, I'd have to like request access to like SQL and like Python. And unless like I was competent, they would be like, oh, how are you going to use this? By sharing with them that I'd been learning it on the side, they were able to give me the access, and then I was able to apply internally for the role which I got. So I didn't actually like graduate and then get a new job. I moved internally in my company to a role which then allowed me to use the skills that I've learned. I was like an analyst in a financial team, and then I moved into an analytics role in the same team, but it changed my job description from finance to analytics. Well, it was like I'm like close to non-existent before, and I had like basic kind of data experience. So I definitely wanted to like learn how to use certain languages to be able to work with data. I feel like I can speak to, like, there's like obviously really techie people where I work, and I wouldn't have had the same confidence that I have now speaking to them when I like understand if you're thinking about it and stuck on whether or not to do it, then just do it, because you won't regret it. And the experience is amazing. The things you learn and being part of the project with other people is nice as well.